All right, so tonight we're in an undisclosed location somewhere in the middle of West Virginia, playing with a Corvette.
Hold it.
Looks as though the Corvette clutch pedal has been removed. They're trying to take a pin out.
Yeah, I think it might be welded in there.
We need heat. Well, yours is...
Holy, wore out.
Yeah, it is wore out.
I don't think that was weld.
Yeah, it was weld.
Yeah, it was weld. I think it was solder. It was solder.
Yeah, something. Silver solder.
You see the wear in that thing? It's amazing it didn't snap in two just by pushing the clutch.
With 27 now.
What are you doing up under there?
27 hour in overtime. Tightening.
Need me underneath again?
Not yet.
Huh?
Not yet.
Yeah, let me get that thing bolted out first.
What is that, bolt to the clutch pedal, Bob?
Yeah.
So apparently you have to take that off the clutch pedal so that you can get the pin removed from it, and then you can install this bent rod. This is the Central Corvette clutch linkage kit for the C2 Corvette. And we were having some problems trying to figure out which is what and how many. Well, that's kind of what we're here for. AJ's getting put back on the pedal now. I'm about to crawl back under the car. Remember the night I brought it home and didn't have the headlights on?
Yeah.
You think that little switch right there that says
It
headlights,
probably opens them up.
that opens them up, you think that would have helped?
Yeah, probably.
These are the originals. That's the Z-bar. There's the new rod KJ's got sticking out here. Well, let's figure out which way it's got to go here, bub. All right, so this is looking from under the bottom of the car. This is the Z-bar. You can see the new linkage is connected to the Z-bar right here. This is the new rod. Oh, I can't get my fingers on it, right here. New rod that goes into the car. That's the big bent rod. It's actually bolted to the top of the Z-bar there. Rowdy just got done grinding the new clutch linkage
No, you are not going to reach with
connector.
that. 2 fingers.
He says it's hot. So that spacer was a little too thick to actually fit in here. And
Hard to film one-handed, huh?
it still is. Still too thick, bro.
Well, you got an up and a bottom, so flip it. Wonder that. Yeah, it's got to be the way you had it. See how it goes up and down?
With the Z, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Still too thick, bro.
All right.
So the piece Rowdy's grinding actually fits inside of this little lever, and the spacer that's on it is a little thick. It won't actually fit in there. This lever's got a slot cut in the end of it. It's going to come out, and that'll all connect up real nice. And that actually is connected inside of there.
I wasn't comfortable under that blue coat. I think it's real comfortable.
All right, so apparently I'm comfortable under here, but I just wanted to show everybody what this completed kit looks like.
I got to reach under there and tighten up my rod in.
Rowdy's up there talking smack, and he ain't even done yet.
Tighten up my hand.
So what we got here is this is the adapter that I was talking about earlier, how it goes together, where you actually have to grind it down to fit in between the clutch fork. That's in. Everything's tight. Adjustments have been made. You can see the new linkage up there that goes into the car. And we greased the Z-bar. Got some grease coming out of it there. That's your new adjustment. And that's where we've got it. We're about to check it out and see what happens here. And of course we've got to get the obligatory Mongo under the car picture. So this is, like I said, the Corvette Central clutch linkage kit. I bought this for Christmas last year, and we were having some problems with one of the Heim joints, but we finally got the right one, and now we got it installed the weekend of Father's Day 2022.
I'm not happy with it.
Not happy with what?
Get under there and look.
All right, so this is the linkage underneath the car. This piece here actually will come off of the pedal, you can see there it bolts to the pedal. It will come off, and that enables you to knock the pin out, because you got to take that pin out so you can put a bolt on there. And with the bolt on there, you're good to go.
Oh, we're going this way. Red light. Oh, it's great.
Really good clutch.
Took out third gear.
Did you? Yeah. Just remember, it pulls hard right when you
easy
get on the brake.
brake.
Hard right. Clutch definitely isn't slipping either. Full release. I'm scared to death that this door's gonna pop open on me. Again, brakes.
Oh, we got passive nervous wreck. Chugging right along. Over that way, a mile too far. We're good. Straight back. The other straight. See?
The leg's too long.
Call him Great Babe.
What's the matter there, bro? Oh yeah, you're stuck.
You need a little steering
I
wheel.
got my foot on it now, but it's not comfortable.